Hello kids, how are you all? Today we will do magic of sound of A. Here are some pictures. We will match these pictures according to their names. First, read this word C-A-T, cat. Where is cat? Here it. We match it. Cat, cat. Next word is jar. Find the picture of jar. Yes, here is jar, jar. Next, read this word C-A-R, car. Where is the picture of car? Here it. Now we match it. Car, car. Next word is hat. H-A-T, hat. Now we find the hat. Yes, here it. Hat. Next word is B-A-T, bat. We find the picture of bat. Yes, here it. Bat. B-A-T, bat. And the last word is M-A-T, mat. Picture of mat. Here it. M-A-T, mat.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.